Next, let's set up fulfillment so your customers actually receive the orders they purchase. If you're managing the inventory for your own products, you can skip this step. But if you're dropshipping, like with our AliExpress example, we want to set this up so that your customers automatically receive what they order. We'll use a tool called DSers to facilitate this. Go to DSers.com. I've left a link in the description. Click Get Started, and then create a DSers account. Then under what platform do you want to access, click Shopify, and then click Install. You'll be taken to the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click Install on the left side. Then you'll get this Install app confirmation. Go ahead and click Install. Click Confirm to log in and authorize, and then it'll prompt you to choose a plan. We'll go ahead and just select the free plan. Next, you'll need to link your supplier, which in our case is AliExpress. Click the AliExpress button if you already have an AliExpress account, or if you don't have an AliExpress account yet, click the Don't Have an AliExpress account link. Once you're all signed up for AliExpress, go ahead and click the AliExpress button, and then click Login. Next, click the Authorize button. Up next, click the Mapping button for your product, and then paste in the AliExpress link here for your product. Then click OK. You might be prompted to install the Chrome extension, but we'll skip that for now by clicking Got It. And you can see that the supplier that we found earlier has been pulled in and mapped to this product. Go ahead and click Save to confirm this. After saving, simply close this pop-up. And now you can see there's a little AliExpress icon located next to the name of your product. Now when orders come in on your Shopify store, they'll automatically be routed with DSers, and your supplier on AliExpress will ship them to your customer.